Hi guys, today we are going to talk more about the TikTok application and we will show you how to make your clips longer on TikTok. So, let's go to this app, pick on it one time and let's shoot a new video after picking on the plus icon. So if you don't like that your video lasts only 15 seconds, you can choose another option by dragging the selector to the left side. For example, you can stop it on the 60 seconds or 3 minutes. So I will choose 3 minutes for example, and let's tap on the red central button. As you can see, this video will be so long. You can of course choose 60 seconds if you want and stop it if you want to make it shorter than 3 minutes as an example. After, let's pick on the check mark to save your video, but I will turn off my sound. And let's pick on the check mark. Later we can go to the adjust clips to check how long our video is, only 18 seconds. So no problem, well done. So if this video was useful and interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok channel and of course YouTube. Good luck, bye bye guys.